Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to use HLookup. Okay, what is HLookup? HLookup is the horizontal lookup. Okay, so what I have here is the data of country and capitals. I have a country or territory names and the respective capitals. You can see it's a set of countries and their respective capitals are here, and it's about you can see okay, about 257 records I have here: Zimbabwe, Harare, and up to this. Okay, so it's a set of countries or territories, and respective capitals are here, but it is in the horizontal way. Okay, so that's why we are going to use the HLookup. Okay, because the data is in the horizontal way. One row itself is the different countries. Okay, the country names are in one row and the other row is capitals. So we are going to use the horizontal lookup. Then what we are going to do in this exercise, we are going to find a capital for a particular country given. Okay, for example, for time being, I just put this Georgia, copy and put it. Okay, I'm going to find the capital for this country. Okay, how to do it using the HLookup, horizontal lookup. Okay, put equal to, which is a starting point for any formula, then type in HLookup. Okay, what it says, looks for a value in the top row of the table or array of values and returns the value in the same column from a row you specify. Okay, so what happens here, we are going to look it up at this value in the data. This is the data array. Okay, this is the table of array, and what we are going to do is it will look it up this value in the topmost row. Okay, not everywhere, but we will specify the full data set, but it will look it up the value. It will go and search for the value in the topmost row only. Then HLookup, how to enter the arguments. Lookup value is the given value, and the table array. What is the table array? It is the full set of data. Okay, full set of data is the table array. Okay, now row index number. Okay, what it is going to do, it is going to look it up this value in the data array and bring back in the data array. It is going to look it up in the first topmost row. Okay, this row. So it is going to compare this one here and going to check which value is matching for the given value, and it is going to return. What do you want to return? I want to return the second row's value, which is 2. Row index number is 2. Which row number value you want to return, which is the second row value. Okay, how do you want to do the match? You want to check exact name or approximate match. Approximate match is something like the name closer to any of the names. Exact match is exactly the same name. Okay, this false, you can put 0 also. Okay, enter. Now you can see Georgia Sukumi is coming here. So if I change it to some other name, Angla Lounda, Angola, Launda. Maybe my pronunciation is different. Okay, this is the way you can start working on HLookup to bring the capital for the country. Okay, instead of typing, I want to make it as a list box to select the country names. How can I do that? Go here, data validation, and check the list box. Then the source is nothing but the set of countries. Okay, the set of countries. Then click OK. Then you see what happens here. You got a list box here. It shows all the countries so that you can select a country and find its capital. Australia, Canberra, Barbados, Bridgetown. Okay, so this way you can bring country and capital. Okay, for each country you can bring the capital using a HLookup. Okay, now the similar way I want the capital for a country. If I give the capital, can I bring the country? Yes, you can bring. Can I use the same set of data? The same set of data you can use it, but the order must be, the capital is the lookup value, so it must be in the first position. Okay, first row should be the lookup row. Okay, this capital Sukumi is, if you use that horizontal lookup, it is going to look it up in the first row. When you select, this is the range. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to put a order in a different way. Okay, how can I do that? Okay, I just to put 2, and I just to check capitals in the beginning and country in the second. Okay, it has to be this way. Now the data range is going to be this, so that the topmost row is capitals. Okay, this is the condition is needed for HLookup. Okay, equal to HLookup. What is the lookup value? I am going to look it up, the capital. What is the table array? Okay, table array is the full set of array. Okay, all the records in row wise. Okay, then what is the your row index number? What value you need to return? I want to return the country value in the array. What is the position of this country row, which is second? Do you want to do exact match? Yes. Enter. Now you can see for Sukumi is Georgia, Abkhazia, Georgia. Okay, so this is the way it is working. Okay, so I just make this one also for list box of capitals now. Okay, how to do the list box? Probably I'll show to you one more time. Data, go to where do you want to place the list box. You must put a cell selection there, then go to the data validation. Here in data validation settings, allow any value, use the list. Allow not any value, use the list box. Then there is source so should be the capitals area, all the capital range, then press OK. Now come and see, there is a list box for capitals. You can select anything and it will give the appropriate country. Okay, probably I'll go for London, United Kingdom. Okay, so this is the way you can use the horizontal lookup to look it for a value and the respective value of the lookup value when the data is in the horizontal order. Hope this video is helpful to you, and please subscribe to my channel so that you will find a lot of different examples. Okay, and also you can leave your suggestions and comments, and God bless you.